What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Thursday. We're currently in some NASDAQ buys off of this huge like push to the downside. I initially wanted to get in on this move. I just didn't trust it too much. Otherwise, I would have got in around here. Stops would have been up here and we would have caught like a huge bag, but it is what it is. We're in some buys currently right now to the upside to see if NASDAQ can do something. Stop loss might get hit here. That was a close one. Wait, it's not over yet. Oh no, did I jinx myself? Oh, that's a beautiful closure if I've ever seen one. Now can we get a continuation to the upside? Get this reversal starting to go. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna move my stops up. I guess we'll let this trade run. Finally, our balance for the second express funded is in positive after what, like 3 losses that we had last week. Crazy ones. See if NASDAQ can ride this momentum. You know what? I'm gonna bring you guys back when I decide to do something. I think that'll be better. So I'll bring you guys back. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm feeling like I want to close this position soon. Are we gonna get another pop or no? Okay, I'm out. Locking myself out for all day. Yeah, I don't want to. There goes the pop. Yep, there it goes. I don't want to, like, I want to secure my win here. We're up $454 on the second express funded. We're up 1,100 on the challenge, and on our main funded account we're up 4 grand. I'm gonna request a payout soon. 4 grand was kind of my goal, because then if I request a 50% off payout, I still have that 4% buffer zone, that extra 2%, so that I can like kind of risk. There goes the trade. In all honesty, I'm pretty happy about my trading today. Last week has not been the best. This week it actually has been good. I haven't recorded much this week, so this video just might be today and Friday. I think I traded Tuesday and I didn't record it. Yeah, I didn't trade Monday, but I traded Tuesday and I won around 500 bucks, I think it was, and it was a quick one. I'm not even gonna lie, I was in the toilet taking a dump, and then I just saw a nice push up to the upside on NASDAQ, and I entered a position and it hit TP pretty quickly within five minutes or so, and then I locked myself out and went about my day. And now we're here on Thursday, made around $738 on the account, and I'm completely fine with that. Trying to pass the other account. I'm also thinking of going to Forex, the Alpha Capital Group prop firm space, because they offer static drawdown, so my drawdown won't be limited to 0. I'll have negative 10% drawdown to work with. So even if my account balance comes back to break even, 100k or 200k, it won't take me out. Like, it won't lock me out. I still have that negative 10% static drawdown, and I want to kind of get a max allocation going on for Alpha Capital Group, and then work my way up to FTMO and kind of build up a portfolio of accounts. But so far, we're just going to keep it simple. Payout video is coming soon. I want to create a vlog style for it. I'm just waiting on a couple things to come in. I ordered in a camera and I'm just waiting for that to kind of come in. And then once that camera comes in, I'll create a little like day in a life morning routine or some sort of video like that with the payout, so you guys can look at it as well. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Thursday. We're in some gold sells currently. Let's see if we can hit take profit. Doesn't look like it's going our way here. Oh my God. Oh, well, down $692 on the trading combine, down $346 on the express funded account. Damn, I did not expect this to happen on gold. I was fully anticipating gold to continue to push on down, but it is what it is. We'll just wait for another setup to occur. That was super quick, guys. I didn't even realize something like that would be happening. Was there news or something going on right now? But yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we find another trade setup. Maybe NASDAQ here is forming, so I'll bring you guys back. Okay, guys, NASDAQ, like I was saying in the previous clip, was setting up here for some breaks to the downside, so I decided to take this position. I waited for market open to kind of die down, choose a sort of area, and then take the reversal off of that. Now, fingers crossed, we're able to win this trade here. In any case, we will see what happens. I didn't get in on the trading combine. I only got in on both the express funded accounts here, so if there's a little bit of a pullback to our entry, then I would get in on the combine, the trading combine. But for now, we'll just see what happens. Hopefully Nasdaq can break on down. We've been trending up, so I'm just looking for it to like come down to this, I guess, 1 hour 13 or VWAP sort of area. Yeah, that's basically it. I'll bring you guys back with an update. I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, we're pushing on down to our target here. I'm probably looking to manually close my position soon. A bit more of a push. What would this area be? 850? Oh, don't reverse. Come on, flip. Oh my god. I'm out. I am out. That was scary. We are bouncing and I don't want to get involved. We made $490 today, guys. 500 bucks basically on both the express funded accounts here. We're back at 3 grand on the main express funded account. We're up $673 on the second express funded account. Pretty happy with this trade. We took an L on the 50K trading combine, and we took an initial L on the other or $300 loss on the gold trade, and we just made $300 back plus $490. We made around like $800, I believe, or $750 around that area for today, and I'm gonna call it there. We're up $500 for today. I'm pretty stoked and pretty happy. I'm gonna go about my day, and you know what I'm gonna do? Lock myself out, because we don't want to deal with any of that. Yeah, it sucks. I mean, the trading combine, I'm trying to aggressively pass it, so I took like higher risk on it. If I blow it, it is what it is. I'll just buy another one. Like, it's not a problem. It's more of the express funded accounts I want to keep alive so that I can get a payout from it. But yeah, pretty stoked about this trade. Made 800 bucks today. I realized P&L at 490 for both express funded accounts, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care and goodbye. Oh, what's going on, everybody? We're in some NQ sells right now, and you might be wondering why we're on TradingView here. I went ahead and purchased a 50K account from Funding Ticks, and I'm watching this closely because I can only earn $900 on this trade. I cannot earn more than 900. We're also in on our funded accounts here. Oh my god, I gotta keep an eye out on this. As soon as it hits 900 or even 800 or something like that, I'm out. Like, I already made 90 bucks on it, and they allow a consistency rule of 40% on the challenge phase, and so I cannot make more than $1,000 because their profit target is 2,500. So 2,500 divided by or times 0.4 is $1,000 is the max that I can make. This is just ripping down, so you just gotta keep an eye out and make sure that I'm not over that $900 mark. 780, 830, 820, 890, 930, out. Close position. Okay, we are out. Like, oh, that was scary as hell. That was scary. Let's see, trade of 8, account summary, $922. I am beyond happy about this trade. Let's go back here. That's like a $500 win. I reduced my risk on my funded accounts because I really don't want to blow these funded accounts. We'll move stops even up here. Let's see if we can get like a push down to at least the VWAP area. I've been waiting like for so long for this to reverse since like 9 a.m. I've been looking for reversals. Although down here, I was looking for a buy opportunity right over here, and I didn't take it because it was before market open. I'm like, oh, there's 10 minutes left till market open. Let me see what market open does. And then it just skyrocketed market open, and I'm like, oh, I missed out on this trade. Can we not, Nasdaq? Can we not? Can we just reverse? I've been waiting a while now for this to hit. Might even move stops back up, give it some breathing room so it doesn't just stop me out up here. This is like a one and done trade. I've been 485 bucks. Oh damn, Nasdaq. Stop loss looks like it's gonna get hit here unless we reverse. Yep, stop loss got hit, guys. We're gonna wait to see if there's another setup that occurs, if Nasdaq can break down below again, and we'll take another sell opportunity. But aside from that, stop loss got hit. If there's no setup occurred, then I'll continue about my day. But we'll give it a secondary chance to see if Nasdaq wants to fall, because it's just been flying up, and I have a feeling that it just needs a correction or reversal, and that's all I'm looking for. So we'll wait to see if another opportunity presents itself to take another sell opportunity. That's about it. And if it doesn't, then we'll call it a day. So I'll bring you guys back with an update. All right, guys, we're in some Nasdaq sells again. I had to wait a very long time again for the sells to occur. This time we're risking $175. It looks like it. Trying to aim for the lows down here. See what happens. So far we are break even, sort of. We're down 50 bucks. Oh, can't jinx myself too quick now. Yeah, honestly, we'll just let the trade run, and I will bring you guys back with an update to see what's going on. So I will pause the recording and bring you guys back. Okay guys, I might get out of my position here real quick or real soon. See. Yep, and I'm out. Just like that, I'm out. $417 for the day. Made $900 on the trading combine for funding ticks, and we're up 1 grand on the second express funded, and we're up 3,300 on the main express funded. I think once I get 4,000, I'm going to request a payout. But pretty happy. I waited a very long time for this trade to occur, for this trade to set up, and it finally did. After this false breakout to the downside, we got this other breakout up here, which I took an aggressive entry, and we got out basically making our money back that we lost, plus $400. So I'm happy, ending the week off on a green, positive, and ending Friday off on a green, which makes me so happy because, you know, you're ending the week off on a green. So now I can go into my weekend having like a fun time rather than thinking about a losing trade. So yeah, let's continue trading, and let's be humble and consistent, and let's come back with a clear mind next week. I'll see you guys all next week. Bye-bye.